In this video, I'll show you how to control your music using your Beats Fit Pro. This can be done with either the left side or the right side. So what I'll be explaining works with both of them. To play or pause a music or a video, all you have to do is to press once the Beat logo. If you want to skip to the next track, all you have to do is press the same button twice. If you want to go to the previous track, then you need to press it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. If while you're listening to music you have a phone call, to answer it, you just need to press once the Beat logo. Or if you want to reject this phone call, you just need to keep press the Beats logo during a second. And you'll hear it, it will just reject the call. If you want to change the volume, unfortunately there's no physical way to do it on the Beats Fit Pro. You'll have to ask Siri. So you need to say, "Hey Siri, turn down the volume." Or, "Hey Siri, turn up the volume." And this will change the volume. Obviously you still can do it on your phone by dragging the volume bar, but this is the easiest way, I think. So thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.